Here I have Mitsubishi Outlander. Let me show you how to perform the factory reset on the dashboard on this car. So at the very beginning, before you start, let me explain how to navigate on the dashboard. You have to use the arrows left and right to navigate left and right, confirm options by pressing the OK button, and you can also use OK button as a scroller. So if you know the basics, let's just go to your instrument cluster, as you can see right here. Now let's highlight here the settings. So here I have settings, press OK to confirm it. And now you need to scroll down until you see the factory reset. This is the last option. Press OK to confirm it. And now if you would like to erase all personalization, all settings, and just bring back the default values, let's just press here yes. So that's it, you just performed the factory reset, and now you can use the default values and default configuration of your Mitsubishi Outlander. So that's it, thank you for watching, please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.